Welcome back traders to the Daily Forex. In today's video, we're diving into the secrets of becoming a pro trader. So whether you're a beginner or looking to take your trading skills to the next level, this video got you covered. Alright, so let's get started. First and foremost, let's talk about education, which is the key. You need to master the fundamentals of the financial markets, understand technical and fundamental analysis, and stay up to date on market trends. While books, online courses, and reputable financial news sources are excellent tools to enhance your trading knowledge. Now, let's talk about strategy. Strategy is the key when it comes to forex trading. And if you want to become a pro trader, you need one. Without a strategy, you won't have a better trade. It's just like going under the rain without an umbrella. What would you expect from that? Of course, you will get wet from that raindrops. That's the same as trading without a strategy. You need to develop a good trading strategy that suits your risk tolerance and financial goals. Also consider factors like entry and exit points, risk management, and the time frame of your trade. Test your strategy thoroughly in different market conditions using a demo account, and this is the best way to practice and create a good strategy for yourself. Pro traders know that managing risks is non-negotiable. Never risk more than what you can afford to lose on a single trade. Set a stop loss order and diversify your trade portfolio to protect your trading capital. And consistency in your risk management is golden for successful traders. So before we head into the next step to become a pro trader, if you're enjoying this video so far and want to know more about trading, then hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all things forex trading and synthetic indices. Pro traders also maintain a disciplined approach even in the face of the market volatility. To become a pro trader, you need to have a good discipline and control your emotion on a trade. Don't be so emotional on the market when a trade doesn't go the way you planned it. Go back to that trade and see what you did wrong and try to fix it on the next trade. And don't be so emotional to try and make back for that losses on the previous trade without proper planning. You see, emotions can make a trader make decisions without planning. So to become a pro trader, you need to control your emotions. So keep a trading journal to track your decisions and learn from both your success and your failures. The financial markets are dynamic and continuous learning is good. So stay updated on market news, economic indicators, and new trading strategy. Look for a good trading community to expand your knowledge on forex trading. So now that you know how dynamic the market conditions can be, let's talk about flexibility, which is another key in forex trading and can help you become a pro trader. You see, flexibility is the key in trading. So be prepared to adapt your strategy based on changing market conditions. Pro traders adjust their approach when necessary. So you can learn from your experience and don't be afraid to refine your strategy over time. Becoming a pro trader is a journey that requires dedication, education, and disciplined approach. Alright, so remember, there's no shortcut to success in the financial markets. So develop your skills, stay informed, and stay disciplined. Alright, so if you found value in this video and really enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your fellow traders, and subscribe for more trading tips and strategy. Alright, thanks for watching. Until next time when I see you guys. Peace.